Dearest friends, I'm Jesse with Living Tree Community Foods, and I'm here to celebrate with you the appearance of the magnificent fruits of summer. We're so ecstatic, and it's also sad too that prices are soaring, but the fruits of summer are here. So let us go forward, my friends. Let us go forward in ecstasy, in joy, and in exhilaration, with streaming, flowing life energy. That's what it's all about. So we started here in the blender. We made some almond milk. We put some spring water in the blender, and we added a heaping tablespoon of our alive organic almond butter. It is the pillar of our business. And we pressed the button and it flashed into almond milk. It's as simple as that. And let's agree, so much fresher than what than what's been sitting on that store shelf, and so much less expensive. So we have our almond butter base, and to that I want to add a tablespoon of our heaping tablespoon of walnut butter, and I want to add a tablespoon of our cashew butter, and what about some of our sesame tahini? So we'll add a bit more spring water. And so we have a milk. Imagine almond butter, walnut butter, cashew butter, tahini milk, and that's going to be our base. And then we're going to add these magnificent California peaches that have just come onto the market. Look at the colors, the magnificent yellows, reds, oranges. It is our privilege to share these with you. So let's take a peach and slice it up. Okay. And now, next thing we're going to add, and it is, once again, we are privileged. These are figs, California figs that have just come onto the market. This is a Black Mission fig. Once again, our privilege to share. So let's toss in a couple figs. Okay. We have these magnificent Fuji apples. Truthfully, Fuji apples, these apples have been harvested last autumn, but they're in perfect condition. And look, if you look at the background, it looks like a whole solar system of swirling nebulae and stars in the background. It is our privilege to share. These fruits are simply glorious. So let's go ahead And of course, here's a Reed avocado, another magnificent California fruit, just come onto the market here. Isn't that magnificent, brothers and sisters? Doesn't that look so scrumptious, so ecstatic? So let's add some avocado. And last of all, some banana, of course. No, but banana is not a California fruit, but they're ecstatic nonetheless. Maybe a pinch of salt. And what about, but of course, a bit of lemon juice. So let's pour this into a bowl. And my dearest friends, let us rejoice in this magnificent peach, fig, avocado ecstasy, a glorious tribute to the fruits of this California summer. My privilege to share. You might want to hit the subscribe button down below. You might want to even be moved to give us a like. Your comments, suggestions, and critiques are treasured by us. So let us go forward, my dearest brothers and sisters. Let us gather our energies and remember the 4 R's. Renewal, regeneration, recreation, and on to redemption. My privilege to share.